Welcome to day 2 of the onboarding process. Yesterday, we went through an overview of BioCoherence to explain how simple it is in order for you to do a scan and to start your healing journey using sound frequencies. Today, we want to unbox one of our sensors and to show you how simple it is to do a scan. So this is the unboxing process. When it's completed, you will have a sensor like this in your hand. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to switch over to my shared screen and we're going to just start the process as an end user.
I just want to show that you have a manual inside, and very important, you have a charging cable under the box. And please keep this charging cable because the sensor is known to be very sensitive to different charging cables. And we had users reporting that using different cables can impede the correct charge of it. So please keep the original cable. And if you are not sure, just make a mark on it to write BC, for instance, on it. It will help you later when you, if you use other cables to remember which one it is.
Okay, so we're now going to switch over to my shared screen. I have the version installed on my Mac. So what you do is once you have it installed, you press start now. And if you have a login, you can enter it here. So I'm going to do it now.
And if you don't have a login, you can enter an invitation code if you have one. And if you don't have a login nor an invitation code, just enter your email. It will create automatically a new account for you, and the account is free, of course. So you can just enter your email and choose a new password and create your account.
Sorry.
2, yes.
Now, once you are logged in, you will see down here that you have the option to start a new recording. So that's what we're going to do first. So I am now logged in as Jane Doe, and Jane is going to complete her first recording.
If you don't have the new record button, there is a button that says I have a sensor. So you just click on it. It will unlock the new record button.
As you can see here, I have now basically put the sensor on and it's going to start doing a simple recording. All I have to do is make sure my thumbs have been properly moisturized or lubricated and start doing the scan. So now Medric is going to take us through what's happening right now.
Okay, so the scan is showing the ECG data that is coming to the app, and it's showing some examples of the analysis screens that exist. It's not live data that is analyzed from your recording. All of the biomarkers that we extract will be extracted at the end of the recording. So this data is just to tease you a little bit of every kind of information we can have. And as you can see, Stephen just moved his fingers, and it led to an artifact that will be automatically cleaned from the app. So you see the red parts. When the parts are red, it means that the recording quality is not good enough for our algorithm, and it will the recording will resume as soon as we have some correct information.
So the trick is to stay very calm, very still while it's taking place. But you have built an algorithm that can automatically identify things that can be taken out.
Yeah, it's good to show that what you did is exactly what we need people not to do, is like moving a lot during the recording. You just, yes.
You'll see it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we are more or less back on track. So we will do a few recording and just skip in the video to show you what you get at the end.
So will I let it continue recording?
Yes. Just go to the end and we will just skip and say, okay, we are 1 minute later. I can actually pause the recording. Okay, so we are now close to the end of the recording, as you can see, 96, 97%. When all boxes on the bottom are green, it means that we have sufficient data to analyze every aspect of your recording. So you see, it says you can stop anytime now. So you can just remove your thumbs from the device.
Back in the sensor.
Yeah. and it will stop automatically, ask you if you want to continue or not. So you can just click on stop. Yeah. And ask you a few questions on what is the main theme of your recording. So you can either just dismiss it or say you want to work on well-being, for instance.
Okay, so then if I choose one of these options, it's going to further refine the process for me, like based on what I'm trying to achieve, or I could just let the recording handle everything automatically, right?
Yeah, what you do when you select these items, it will just show you the most important priority for you, and it will propose to answer official survey that comes from the medical questionnaires that is dependent on these different subjects. And this survey will just give you a 7-day exploration in your personal guide that can be tailored further to your other priorities. So it will give you some more insights about yourself, and it will allow you to track your progress between the start and the end of your personal journey with BioCoherence.
All right, so at the end of it, so then at the end of the day two onboarding, we have now done a scan for Jane Doe. We are now presented with her findings, both in a simplistic view and in a more detailed view, which we're going to explore in day three. So we'll see you in day three.